Good morning. Just arrived in the port. And look at the thing. You see, have you ever seen like that? Look at the goats in the middle of the port, just staying there. So now it's time to get back the motorcycles. I will start traveling north. Since that it rained here, I hope it will not rain. Wish me luck. So we just arrived in accommodation in Quezon, Palawan. That's like a big Muslim community. So look, I just got electric fan room. It's what you got. Cannot find that in a god or whatever. Oh, I love the green. A bed like this, another like that. And what's that? Oh, you have a little bit of kitchen. So if you wanna like long term here, maybe you can. And CR, my gosh, it smells so good. And this, very simple. It doesn't have water heater. Oh. Anyways, this is just 600 pesos. To be honest, I don't know if it's because it changed a lot since the last time I traveled, like in 2019. But I remember in Bohol, like in Panglao, I was renting like a nice cubo with swimming pool, like that, with aircon for 350 pesos. Now 600 pesos in Quezon, where there's no tourists here. This is like for boarding house, something like that. And 600 pesos for electric fan room. I don't know. Let's explore the Muslim community. Hello, good morning. So just woke up here in Quezon City. Quezon City. In Quezon, in Palawan. Now the plan today is to go stream. I'm gonna live stream now, and I will show the town, and maybe you can find a beach or a little bit of road, like that. So look, I will show you my setup, okay? Again, Starlink here. It's powered here with a power bank. This is the power bank, okay. This is a Ventium power bank, very powerful, 100 watts. Okay, I put just the power bank here. It will last around 3 to 4 hours powering the Starlink. And now I already have internet. And then the streaming, I borrowed the iPhone of Ruby. The app, I don't know if you can see here, is Moblin. This is very dark. So if I hit go live, let's wait, I need to connect first to the Wi-Fi. It's okay already. Okay, go live. Okay, here you can see that this is streaming, but not just streaming to YouTube. For that I need to go live in the OBS server. So that's the plan today, and I will also try to vlog. I don't know how, because look, I'm carrying a lot of things, like my other phone, money, power bank, and gimbal, the DJI gimbal for when I stream with the phone. I will remove that phone and I will put to the gimbal. So yeah, I don't know if I can handle it all at the same time, vlogging and streaming. Let's see how it goes. So I'm driving the motorcycle here in the neighborhood in Quezon, Palawan, and actually I'm impressed with the location. It's like it's really a hidden gem here in the Philippines, or at least in Palawan. It's not crowded, there's no traffic, There's not a lot of tricycles, you know, annoying everyone. There are just a few. It looks clean compared to other places. It looks pretty nice, really, to me. There's not much noise. And one thing that I was surprised is because yesterday I didn't record because we were so exhausted, but we went to eat to a Japanese restaurant, and it was so good, the food, and so cheap. It's like we eat both for 400 pesos, and we got 2 rice bowls meals, like one like fried chicken style Japanese, and with rice, and another is like beef, also Japanese style with rice, and we got makis, mango makis, sushi, and and overall is 400 pesos. It's like 200 per cup. It's like $3+ and we got full, and so good the food, really, and the place was nice, like a Japanese style restaurant. So I'm very surprised of this place, and I can see there are many restaurants also. And as far as I know, the beach is just here. I don't know the quality of the beach and the lands. If you want to purchase a land, here is much cheaper than overall other places, and it feels really like a rural place. So okay, I'm here in the beach. This is just there, like I don't know, 1 kilometer. It's not the kind of beach that you want to swim. It's like mangrove water, like dirty. I'm sure there are nice beaches around here, but I don't know how far it is. So what I was saying is, it's a nice location actually, yeah? Because it has these vibes that is very far from you know, from Puerto, Princesa, and more like city places, but still it has proper roads and proper infrastructure. So I'm surprised, and it has nice restaurants. Not a lot, but you have options to dine out if ever. The cons that you are so far from Puerto Princesa, like more than 2 hours ride, 2.5, and it's a big Muslim community, so you need to be okay with this. And this is how it looks here. See? It's very dirty, not fancy. It's not for swimming. But then so you see all those islands here. There's one island there, all this. Maybe you can have your own boat and go to places and have fun here. And as I said, the lands, if you check on Facebook, you can have beach lots that are not that expensive, and farm lots that are very cheap. So it's worth, to me, it's one place that I will consider to retire if ever, or to move in if you want peace, you want to be chill. The cons is like Puerto Princesa is so far, so if you want to travel with airplane, good luck. And if you stay as a tourist, also for your visa renewal and like that, it's gonna be a bit of a hassle. Now I'm gonna explore a little bit the town, so we'll show you the stores and everything inside, okay? Okay, so as you see here, in this town is a proper town. It has it all. But I don't know if it has a healthcare center or something. I think it should have. Look, also it has a mosque. If you want pray, you're a Muslim, there you go. Oh, go. Where are you going? So slow.
Fuel money now.
Oh, thank you. Au! Au! Salamat. I don't know who gave the donation. I will check it now. Wait. Okay, so I'm recording here, and yeah, as you see, it's a peaceful, small town. I'm really liking this town, to be honest. Barbershop, has everything. Very quiet and peaceful. Nice. So we're here in the main market, and you can find like a lot of products, including like halal products, and they're much cheaper. I can see everything is much cheaper here already. And you have this kind of, this kind of markets that are it's a little bit rough, but you can find clothes and whatever you need. 5 pesos. Wait, I will ask if they have a small sock. Miss, you have small socks? Socks? Small? No? Okay, thank you. Socks. Oh, do you have socks? Socks? No?
Sure?
Socks, or no? You see? I'm also struggle a little bit with the English. I know my English is not very good, but it should be good enough for Filipinos. I think I have my accent Filipino. So this is what you got. Also here, like eateries. Let's see what you can eat here. Oh, typical Filipino food.
Yes, sir.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Please?
Bangus, chicken adobo,
Yeah. Which one? The other. Pork.
pork.
Yeah. Pork steak.
What is this one?
Pork Puseno.
Pork tocino.
Yeah.
Ah, nice.
This one, beef steak.
I will come back later, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Oh. I actually been here before, so I'm gonna eat later. It's too early. It's still like 9:40. So really, if you want a place that is proper and it has things, and there's also drugstore, and the lands here are so cheap. Actually, I only consider one place better than this here in Palawan, and I will make another video about this. And this was the place I wanted to retire, and maybe it will be in one of the next vlogs, okay? Magkano lumpia? 25? $25. Yeah.
Anong sauce po?
Yeah, this one. It's okay. Thank you. You know where is a coffee shop? Yeah.
Doon po sa terminal po.
Terminal.
Opo, mayroon pong ano po.
In the terminal?
Terminal po.
Okay.
Makita nyo lang po sa highway yan po. Sa gilid lang po.
Okay. Salamat. This is lumpians. I don't know what she said, but yes po. Hey! Here, recording and doing everything at the same time. Look, that's lumpians. Maybe I can just sit here. It's nice. I'll just sit here. Morning. So, okay, to summarize everything about here, Quezon, there's a here nice coffee shop and you can eat also. Very nice, very good impression. Now I need to head back to Puerto Princesa to go to immigration. I will show you if I can do express or regular. But this will be for the next video, okay? So that's Quezon, Palawan. I recommend this place 100%. If you're looking for a non-touristic place and more like Filipino vibes, okay? So take care, my friend. Bye-bye.